back to Ticky Tacky Toys. And welcome back to another episode of the
Ticky Tacky Toys.
Ticky Tacky Toys.
See, we're going to do a review on this kind of a rally, off-road rally car.
Yeah.
And I got this remote.
Yeah.
So we're going to put the battery for this one. Can we see if it works or not? Or we need to put batteries for this? Yes, we need to put batteries.
I think you have to on it.
Okay, it's on, is it? No? Yeah, it's batteries on. Yeah. We need to buy batteries. So every time we buy the toys, as usual, we we try it out first, so then only we can do a review.
Wow.
What is doing? What is it doing?
It's climbing.
Is it? It's dying.
It's climbing.
Is it?
Yeah, it's trying to just do some 360s.
Yeah, he's doing 260. So it's a nice looking rally car with nice off-road tires, and it's very good on indoors as well.
Yeah. To be honest, these ones are my favorite.
Yeah,
Just
the grips are very nice. So I'm just going to get the batteries, new batteries, yes?
100.
Is it? 300, okay, 360, okay, good.
Oh my
So I'm just going to take this off and put a new battery and let's test it out. And as usual, we go downstairs, yes?
100.
Oh, 360, okay, good. So I'm just going to open these. Hopefully, yes, screwdriver. Yeah. So it's taking off these and yeah, I need to charge these batteries again. I always use rechargeable batteries, guys, so that way I don't need to go buy all the time. So I got quite a few rechargeable batteries, so it works out cheaper as well, to be honest. So I'm gonna put these batteries here and get 4 new AA batteries. It takes 4 AA batteries. I'm just gonna give it to Daniel so we can put the batteries in.
Yep.
He's doing a 360, you see? Okay, there you go. Is it 360?
Oh, again, it has 4 batteries now.
Yeah,
It's
it's-
100. Yeah, 100.
Is it?
Yeah. 100.
360? Oh, good
Yeah.
boy.
It's
100.
100.
Let's see, he's done it. He's done it correctly, I think. So do I need to check it? No, he's done
Oh,
it correctly.
look, he's doing a 360.
So I'm just gonna put these flapping here.
Look, guys, look, he's doing a 360
So
like
let's test it out. Do you want to test it out? Is it working? Yes, we meant to pair it. So now it's paired it. Now it's working. So let's put the flap in. It says made in China, as usual, 24 megahertz, and very good value for money, I think. We've tested out already. It's a very good value for money. What we're going to do is, and is going to do some rides here, and as usual, we'll go
downstairs and to see which is good or bad.
Yeah, he's going to test it out first here, then go downstairs and do the rest. There you go.
Thank you.
Oh. Almost fell.
Almost fell.
See, it's quite fast, guys. It's quite not easy to control on these table. It's only tiny table, so it's really well. Yeah, it's quite fast. So let's go downstairs and see you there. See you in a minute. Come on. Yes.
This is what I like.
Hi guys. Now we are downstairs now, as usual, our place. So we're going to test it out this rally car. And James still going to ride the Sonic, he says. He likes it from the last episode, so he just wanted to play with that. So let him do what he wants. So let Daniel test it out this one. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh my god, yes. You want to play? Oh yes. Oh yes. Don't hit the camera. Yeah, that was a close one. Oh, it does went leg. I think it went on this leg. Is it this leg? Okay, let's do some massage. Okay, let's do some massage. It's fine. Is the battery there?
Yeah.
So I just
You off the car then you off the and then on off the car.
yeah. See, I'm just trying it out. It's quite good, guys. Look.
It's a bumper. It can glow. At the bumper it can glow. Daniel.
Yes, James. Okay, do some massage for his feet. Okay, that's fine. Good. That's it. Let's see. There you go. You can play. Come on.
Whoa!
I tried it. Because while we were doing, what's James doing? He's going to. No, that's too far. Look at it. He's going up. He's going to break the car now.
Oh no!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, and it landed. Look at this. Let's see. Okay, are you guys gonna break it? Let's see. James, move. Oh my god, it's landed. Oh my god, let's see, it's working. It's working. Uh-oh. Let's try. Switch off the remote. And switch it on. Yes. Yeah. Come on. Home. Home.
Maybe let's try under it.
Okay guys, I think you guys seen enough. Now we're gonna go upstairs and finish off the video. Then, oh my god, that's the proper off-road and like a monster jam one. Okay, we go upstairs and finish off this video. Hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Thank you for
Welcome back
watching.
again.
Yeah, thank you for watching Ticky Tacky Toys.
So hopefully you have enjoyed the downstairs video and the performance of these. So I would like to give a 5 out of 5 again.
Yeah.
You can get for your kids as well. Thank you for watching and thank you for all the support you guys giving to us. So keep supporting
please
us.
subscribe to our channel.
Which is Ticky Tacky Toys, done by Daniel, James, and me, David. See you again in another episode. Until then, bye. Bye. Say bye bye.
Bye.
What is it?
Subscribe. Until ding ding ding.
See, again I forget. Don't forget to press the bell button for notification. Ding ding ding. Please reminds me every time. So thank you guys. See you again. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Okay.